and welcome back to my channel. Yes! So today in this video I'm going to be showing you how I created this look. Filming eyeliner is really hard, so I hope you enjoy this. I was really inspired to do this look from a bunch of accounts I follow on Instagram, like Beauty Mag. I've seen so many makeup artists create this look. I also saw it on Dua Lipa and I was like, okay, now I actually have to do it. I've been using some NARS products for my skin as well, so I am glowy everywhere, glowy on my chest, and yeah, I love how this look turned out. So if you want to see how I did this, then keep on watching. And if you like this video at any point, give me a like and subscribe to my channel. It really means a lot. If you want to see anything else I do and keep up with me, you can also follow me on Instagram at @emmapapazanaki. And yeah, that's all I have to say. Keep on watching for the look. I am ready to play with some makeup. I have really wanted to do a really bold eyeliner cat eye tutorial ever since I played around with that and posted it on my Instagram. Basically, you just have to try and learn how to do eyeliner and have a steady hand, but let's see how it goes today. So I've already moisturized my face and I'm going in with the Porefessional by Benefit. Guys, look at my hair. I cannot believe I went this short and I love it so freaking much. It looks so good. I've really wanted a change for a long time and this is just perfect. Before foundation, I'm going to be applying a little bit of the Becca Shimmering Skin Perfector right at the high points of my face, just for some inner glow. Oh. Bitch! Don't worry if it looks crazy. I'm gonna fix this. I feel like this product will probably last my entire life. Like, you need such a small amount.
Stop it. Get some help.
So I've been trying to venture out a little bit more with my makeup skills and all of that. I am really inspired by all of these Instagram accounts. I really love Beauty Mag and a bunch of others. I'm gonna leave them in the description because I really get inspired by them. They just post like the best makeup looks, some really talented makeup artists. I recently bought a lot of colorful makeup and I really want to play around with that as well, so stay tuned for that. And I'm going in with the Mercier Glow Foundation. I shaked it up real good and now I'm trying to not make a huge mess over here. I'm just gonna put some on the back of my hand. By the way, if you're wondering, I got this foundation before NARS decided to sell in China, so I thought it was gonna be cruelty free for a longer time than that, but too bad. Okay, so now I'm grabbing my trusty beauty blender and buffing away. I'd actually really love trying like brushes to apply all my base makeup. If you have any suggestions or if you use something that you love, let me know in the comments down below.
Make them choose like love, war, rich, poor. Make them dance until they don't hurt anymore, cause it's all fair when you look from way up there. Wipe away your tears and
next, I'll be contouring and color correcting with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Cream Contour Palette. I'm going to be using this pink corally shade under my eyes for color correcting, and then I'm going to be using the lightest contour shade to contour.
3 sons in the dirt, homie, give me a sip. Change all your Facebook DPs and make them solid white and let them know from here to Cap City I have
snatched. Okay.
Bumping from the south side to the north side, east side to my home side. 3 dubs in the air like you came from there. Of course I brought together a brotherhood like Scott Forsyth. From my brother's hood to the mud to the motherland. Never backing down even if blood is in your brother's hands. Pick them up, let them
Now for concealer, I am using the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop concealer and I got a shade lighter, thank God.
Make them choose like love, war, rich, poor. Make them dance until they don't hurt anymore, cause it's all fair when you look from way up there. Wipe away your tears and put your hands in the air.
So I turned the AC on. I hope you can't hear that, but it is getting hot in here. So we're almost done with the face and we're gonna get into the eyes soon. I'm just gonna be applying some powder right under my eyes. Also kind of cleaning up my contour over here. Ooh. So I'm going to quickly do my brows off camera and I'll be right back. Okay, so now that I'm done with my brows and they're looking really fierce, I'm going to be doing my eyeliner. This is the roller liner by Benefit, and this is the hardest part, so I think I'm going to zoom you in so you can see all the action. Yes. So this is a really easy product to apply because I could just go like this and kind of map out where the eyeliner would be, like sort of.
But why I feel so sucky? I traded all these girls as busty for someone who loved me, and I'll be in a second. I still finished in second. I ran too fast.
Basically, it's gonna be really thick so that it can go all the way down to the bottom.
Down enough to make me feel like I had common sense. It's common and very often that I'm asking what's popping, but it ain't shit if she don't know me.
It's hard.
Movie off the proceeds, and so I'm like, we gon' let it shine from the hood to the church.
Ooh. And sort of bringing it in, but just a little bit. Okay, I think this is as good as I can get it. I think if I do more, it's just gonna end up really, really thick. So I am stopping it there. What I will do before moving on to the next eye is I'm gonna lightly drag it and creates like an elongated effect, and then also doing that here. So I am going to be doing the other eye off camera because this was hard enough, and I'm going to come back to finish this look. Woo! Okay, it is done. So now I am going to be finishing off my face. I'll be applying the Milani Baked Blush in Luminoso and just right on the apples of my cheeks. And again, I'm going to be applying the Becca Shimmering Skin Perfector. This is in the shade Champagne Pop. Love it. Wow, I have eyeliner all over my finger. So I'm going to be applying this tiny amount everywhere on my nose. I'll be blending some of this with my fingers, and if it's too much, I will just blend it out with my beauty blender. But I really want to keep most of the glow here. Fucking love that. Oh my god. I'm going to be applying a really small amount of Primavera from the Anastasia Beverly Hills palette right at the center of my lid. Just a tiny, tiny bit. And now finishing off with some mascara.
Keep love at a massive distance, and now they far from home. Home of the brave, but they scared. Bleed the same color, but it's difference in the tears they shed. All for a little bread.
And to finish this whole look off, I am applying the NYX Butter Gloss in Madeleine. And god, this looks so good. Oh my god. It's nearly the same as my actual lip color. Also kind of smells like candy, which is so nice. Ah! Oh my god. So for the last step, I'm going to be applying the Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray and locking all of this in. And this is the complete look. Wow, I am in love with this. Ooh. So this is the complete look. I hope you enjoyed, and had fun. I really had fun creating this look. I'm gonna start making more editorial type looks, so stay tuned for that. If you want to see more of me, you can follow my Instagram. I'll leave it right here and down below in the description. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching. I love you so much, and I will see you in my next one.
Bye. So save some room on each other's plates. We gon' let it shine from the hood to the church. From day one to when they brought rules to this earth. Throw them up and let them know what's up with it. And we doing so well, they throwing up. Make them choose like love, war, rich, poor. Make them dance until they don't hurt anymore, cause it's all fair.